This is the weekly weather briefing for Thursday, October 26th, going through next Thursday, November 2nd. So just taking a look at an overview for the week, generally looking at quiet tropics as we're moving towards the end of hurricane season. Unfortunately, no significant rain in the forecast, so it does look like the extreme to exceptional drought will persist. And then we do have a cold front that will bring lower than normal temperatures to the area for Halloween and the start of November. So looking at the tropical weather outlook, as I said, hurricane season is winding down. Nothing really out there that we need to worry about. They are monitoring that one disturbance over the kind of central Atlantic, but it is not expected to bring any kind of threats to the Gulf. Looking at the 7-day rainfall forecast, as you can see, really no widespread rainfall is forecast, with most places expected to see little to no rain over the next 7 days. And that's even taking into account the fact that we do have the front moving through the area. Any rain that does fall would likely be associated with ahead of that front. But again, with most places expected to see less than 1/10 of an inch of rain, that's not really going to provide any significant relief to the drought. Again, the extreme to exceptional drought that's been persistent across the entire area is still there, and it is expected to persist because we don't have any rain in the forecast. So that is quite unfortunate, and we will be keeping an eye on, winds and relative humidity, for the foreseeable future as these dry conditions persist and fire danger could, be elevated again, depending on the wind and the relative humidity. As I mentioned, we do have a strong cold front forecast to move through the area. It looks like it'll come through, I believe on the Monday night, Tuesday morning time frame. So that looks to bring some below normal temperatures for Halloween and to start the month of November. So this is the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. And you can see a 60 to 80% chance of below normal temperatures with this cold front. So the only other thing I'll mention with this front is that ahead of the front, the winds will die down a little bit. And so we could see a little bit of fog forming overnight, especially Saturday and Sunday nights. Not a slam dunk forecast. It doesn't look like any kind of significant widespread dense fog situation, but there could be some patchy fog in the area. So just kind of keep that in mind for over the weekend.